Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should confirm your phone has a registered fingerprint and Google Pay updated. Once done, open Gpay and tap your profile icon. You will see payment methods, select your UPI account, or add one if missing. Tap Settings Authentication or Security and choose Fingerprint as the default UPI auth. This step tells Gpay to accept biometric approval for payments instead of a PIN. Make sure your device fingerprint is active and matches the one registered with Android. Once you enable biometric authentication, Gpay will prompt you to verify with your device fingerprint to confirm identity. Follow the on-screen prompt and place your finger on the sensor. After verification, Gpay links the fingerprint to Upi Payment flow, so future transfers request a biometric scan. Make sure to set a fallback Upi PIN in case the sensor fails. This preserves access. Also confirm app permissions for biometrics and remove stale fingerprints from device settings to prevent mismatch. To pay, choose UPI transfer, enter amount, and tap Pay. When the biometric prompt appears, authenticate with your registered finger. After successful scan, Gpay sends the payment and shows confirmation. This is faster and avoids typing a Upi PIN. If the sensor fails, try a different registered finger, clean the sensor, and retry. If persistent, disable and re-enable biometric auth in Gpay or re-register fingerprints in device settings. Make sure your phone screen and finger are dry for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.